What's up guys, it's me, your Jimmy Geek here. The Xiaomi Mi A1 case, the top 5. Number 5 case is from MYLB, a simple, beautiful silicone TPU style case, come with a free screen protector. Number 4 case is from Renyi, it's a full body protection case. And number 3 is from Amzer. Amazing, beautiful looking case. Number two is from KW Mobile. I love KW Mobile. They are based in Germany. They build some of the best cases in the world. Number one is from the Kappa War. Look at the beauty of this case. This is a tough armor case. You can't go wrong with it. So it was me, G making. All of the cases links are in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook. Bye.